Aloha and talofalava. Thanks to all of you there who are gathered for the Behind the Lavalava Veterans Day dinner, bringing together our Polynesian and Pacific Islander veterans for this wonderful celebration of service and courage and commitment to our fellow Americans, to the principles that we swore an oath to uphold and defend, and to our country. There's less than 1% of the population in this country who've raised our right hands and volunteered to put our lives on the line in service to the American people and to our country. And I'm honored and privileged and humbled to even from a distance, stand beside you in being a part of this very special community. As you know, service, being of service to others, being of service to God, doing our best with our lives to make a positive impact on others is the most fulfilling thing that we can do with our lives, that brings us a deeper sense of happiness than what's possible with any superficial undertaking in our lives. For those of you who are continuing to serve and those of you who have laid down the uniform, that oath that we swore to the Constitution of the United States still stands. That commitment to service that is in our hearts still stands. We have the opportunity to be leaders in our country, to be those who uniquely are capable of bringing people together beyond any of the superficial divisions that exist around our shared core values and principles. Thank you all for your service in uniform and for the service and leadership that you continue to bring, not only to our community, but that you continue to bring to our country. I hope to see you soon. Aloha.